India coal crisis grew as power demand surges. Indian utilities are scrambling to secure coal supplies as inventories hit critical lows after a surge in power demand from industries. Sluggish imports due to record global prices push power plants to the brink. Over half of India's 135 coal-fired power plants have fuel stocks of less than 3 days. Government data shows far short of central guidelines recommending supplies of at least 2 weeks. Prices of power generation fuel are surging globally as electricity demand rebounds with industrial growth and tightening supplies of coal and liquefied natural gas. India is competing against buyers such as China, the world's largest coal consumer, which is under pressure to ramp up imports amid a severe power crunch. Rising oil, gas, coal, and power prices are feeding inflationary pressures, and slowing economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. The supply crunch is expected to persist, with the non-power sector facing the heat as imports remain the only option to meet demand by the rising cost. CRISIL said in a report this week, adding that it expects Asian coal prices to continue to increase. Coal inventory at thermal plants will improve only gradually by next March. It added, Indian power producers locked in long-term agreements with distribution utilities cannot pass on higher input cost unless a clause to pass on such expenses is written into the contract. Contract traders and officials at utilize said buying of imported coal by power plants has been muted due to high prices. India's average weekly coal imports during August through to late September, when global coal prices rallied over 40% to all-time highs, dropped by over 30% from the average for the first 7 months of the year, according to data compiled by Kepler. The imported total for the most recent week was under 1.5 million tons, the smallest in at least 2 years. Subsides of major coal importing state utilities did not show any new tenders seeking new cargoes this month.